虫草冬菇蒸雞 steamed chicken with dried Cordyceps flowers and mushroom. This steamed chicken is a popular home cooking among Cantonese people in Hong Kong. Once again, the most important step in this cooking is the marination of chicken. Cordyceps flowers look like these. Cordyceps flowers can boost up immune system. It has no taste but a bit of chewy texture. Come, let's look at the ingredients. Apart from chicken, we have slices of shiitake mushroom, julienne cut of ginger, scallion white cut into pieces, dried cordyceps flowers soaked into water for half an hour, 4 to 5 red dates, removed seeds. Seedless dates for use later. This time I use one whole frozen chicken around 1.5 kilogram. After washing and rinsing chicken, then add dry chicken. Then cut chicken into pieces. Then let us move to the important part of today's cooking. Add in 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, add in 3 teaspoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, add in 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, then add in 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt as base flavor. Then I add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and drizzle of white pepper powder. Mix well all seasoning with chicken. This time I mix the seasoning with chicken with my hand so that I can feel the chicken. Make sure all the flavor of the seasoning being absorbed by the chicken meat. After mixing well the seasoning and chicken, then add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then keep on mixing chicken with cornstarch until being absorbed by the chicken meat. Then we move gradually to the last part of the marination by adding 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to lock up all the aroma and the flavor. After 30 minutes, rinse and wash Cordyceps flowers. Drain out water from Cordyceps flowers. In a hot pan, add in oil and wait for oil to heat up again by releasing smoke. Then add in shredded ginger. Now keep on using medium heat to saute shredded ginger until golden brown and full of fragrance. Then add in white part of scallion and saute together until full of fragrance. Then add in slices of mushroom and saute together. While we saute the aromatics in the pan, I squeeze out water from the Cordyceps flowers. Then add in Cordyceps flowers into the marinated chicken. Then I add in the sauté aromatic into the marinated chicken. I almost forgotten to add in red dates and mix well all the ingredients with the marinated chickens. After mixing well all the ingredients, then transfer the chicken to a plate and marinate for 30 minutes before steaming. Now, after 30 minutes, bring water in the pot to boiling. When water comes to boiling, put the plate of chicken and steam for 20 minutes with high heat. While waiting for steamed chicken, let's have a drink first. After 20 minutes, let's have a look at the steamed chicken with Cordyceps flowers. Remove chicken from the pot. I like to top up steamed chicken with chopped scallion. Chopped scallion will increase the aroma of the chicken and it can use as garnish too. Steamed chicken with Cordyceps flowers is full of aroma, and most importantly, the texture of chicken is so succulent. Let's give it a try, this simple cooking. Oh, my lunch bell is ringing again. This is my recipe for today's cooking. 多謝收看，我們下一條片再見啦！如果喜歡這條片，請訂閱、分享、讚好、留言。Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video. If you like this video, please click subscribe, like, and help us to share our video with your friends and leave us comments. Bye bye.